Hello everyone. Today's lesson is Structure of Intellect or Three-Dimensional Theory by J.P. Guilford. J.P. Guilford was an American psychologist best known for his work in intelligence and creativity. He first proposed the concept of divergent thinking, including the distinction between convergent and divergent production in 1950, and observed creative people tend to exhibit divergent type of thinking more than common. During the time of servicing psychology clinic, Guilford was impressed with the unevenness of children's abilities in performing activities. Especially while he compared his and his brother's aptitudes in doing the same job, he wondered which factor has made the differences. He realized intelligence is not unitary concept but a composite of different abilities. He then showed a strong interest in stretching the factors that became his dominant focus of his career, the individual difference. He then tried to classify the mental abilities that resulted in his famous theory on intelligence named Structure of Intellect or SOI model and was presented to an international conference on factor analysis in Paris in 1955. Now we see what's the definition of intelligence by J.P. Guilford. In his final version of Structure of Intellect Model, Education and Psychology Measurement, 1988, Guilford described intelligence as being a systematic collection of a large number of abilities or functions for processing different kinds of information in various ways. Guilford supported the views of L. Thurston and primarily influenced by Spearman too, but eventually he rejected Charles Peirce's view that intelligence could be characterized in a single numerical parameter. He explored multidimensional aspects of human mind. He believed that the structure of intellect uh, is based on number of different mental abilities. The number of possible abilities in Guilford's SOI model increased over the years from 120 to 150, and in the latest version, there are 180 now. Guilford suggested every mental process or intellectual activity can be described in terms of three basic dimensions of parameters, such as operational dimension, content dimension, and product dimension. He argued that intelligence consisted 150, now 180 different and independent skills. Each of these intellectual abilities or structures is interlinked. The three dimensions. What are the three dimensions? These are operations, the process of thinking, contents, which what we think about, products, the end results of our thinking. Therefore, he thinks 5 into 5 into 6 is equal to 150 intellectual abilities which are presented below. That is, uh, there is a box um, presented three dimensions contents which consist of visual, auditory, symbolic, semantic, and behavioral. The product dimension consists of units, classes, relations, systems, transformation, and implications. The operation dimensions consist of evaluation, convergent production, divergent production, memory, and cognition. These are the three dimensions of SOI model of J.P. Guilford. Thank you.